I'm gonna talk again. So I have no idea what I'm going to talk about, but I am just probably going to ramble on with like pointless crap. Um, so, well, basically, I could tell you how like I got them. From like Coke and food and that. Actually, from other ways I don't. Other ways that I normally get them is like alcohol and laughing and um I think that's about it. So I don't really know much about what to talk about. Except all yesterday and all of today, yeah, sorry, all of yesterday and today, I keep getting them from Coke, mainly. Yeah. It's, I was actually thinking, like, because I have, like, class and that, every time I, like, get them in class, it's so embarrassing. And, like, I'm sorry, it's just, like, it's, like, really hard to have a proper conversation. And I'm, like yeah, you know, in class, it's, like, really, really funny. Because, like, and then I'll just be, like, sitting there, mind my own business, and then it's, like, next thing you get hiccups, and, like, it's so funny, but so awkward and embarrassing. Yeah, so, hopefully this is, like, gonna be a good one. I have no idea. And if you want me to, like, you can give me, like, suggestions on what you want me to talk about, or, like, anything you want to know about me, I could, like, answer, when I have hiccups. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you. It's really funny. I'm sorry. They, like, really move my body. And, like, when I get them, I usually get them for, like, a long time. Like, about an hour or an hour and a half. But, like, at about, an hour and a half, they actually really start to hurt. Like, I don't know. Yeah, so can private message me. Socials on this, if you want to look for some, if you want to look for some of my social medias, they're posted in amongst my random videos. Or if you want, you can just message me and I can just give them to you. Anyway, I think I might go now, because, yeah, bye.